Ni baby, we will go straight to the 3D. So you will see the 3D. Oy, beautiful. Nag-pose si baby.
Siyempre wala ko naiintindihan. Sige, nag-pose.
Baby. Sige, doon na lang kayo. So all of you will see. I-push. Paki-push na lang yung
Doon ako sa 3D.
Kaya siya nag-pose. Historically.
We are here sa vlog event. May mga vloggers.
Ako ng Facebook lang.
At least. At grabe siya papaluin. Ano yan?
That's really, okay.
Again.
Yeah, that's just a slice. No, yun ang 2D, two-dimensional. Bakit umikot siya? Ayan o.
Kamay yun.
Ay,
Tenga.
I can see the ears.
Yeah.
That was a... Oh! Wow, look at that. See the
Try to
tongue?
touch that.
See the mouth?
Ayun yung pin.
Baliktad.
There.
Wow!
Halika.
Kita mo?
Yeah.
Oops. Nako. Ayun o.
Very, malikot si baby.
Active siya.
Very active.
Parang laki ng cheeks, ah. Parang... Can you see? Ayun yung
Ito.
Galing, no? Wow.
Kanina, ang ganda. I-freeze mo nga, please, Rin, and then let's go back. Mag-ano ka. Yung una, yung maganda ang face niya. And then let's print that out already. The baby might not pose again anymore. Sige, baba pa.
Naka-record siya.
Naka-record yan.
Ang galing.
Mabi-video natin. Yung isa pa kanina. Wala na, yun na yan. So, kung may cleft lip, we could already see it by 3D very clearly. In fact, yung mga Down syndrome, nakikita na rin yun eh. Kasi,
nadedetect na rin.
nakikita yung phases, we call that the phases, yung itsura mismo.
Ay, wala na.
Ay, nako, umikot na siya. Oh, look at the fingers. Yun.
Yeah.
Those are the fingers, no? Uy, beautiful.
You can see the
Look
fingers.
at that. Yung gumaganon siya. Kissing the back of his hand. Oh, he's may a girl. Ano ba ito? Girl? Boy. Look at those fingers. So nagyon siya.
See the lips.
Ganda. Those are the eyes. The eyelids are closed at this time usually.
Oo naman.
Pero kasi upo.
Ganda ng
Ayun.
profile.
Ayun.
My baby. Look
Profile.
at that.
Uy, ayun.
Ang likod talaga niya, no?
Matangos ilong niya.
Yeah, matangos ilong.
Showbiz baby niya.
And you could see that the eyelids are not fused, no? So, hiwala yung eyelids. Di ba, you saw some reports 2 to 3 years ago na fused ang eyelids? Beautiful. Si Mami.
Beautiful.
Hey, look at that.
Save it ha. Wait lang.
Save mo yun.
Yung kamay o. Mga talino.
Ayan, itabi-tabi mo sila. And then, ay, nagwi-whistle, kumakanta, oh. Cute, oh. Cute ang ilong niya.
Galing.
Cute, look at that. Cute. So you can just imagine, no, seeing your baby inside na kung ano-anong pinagagawa.
Kumakain ng kamay.
Kain. Minsan dumidila ka. Di ba Tom Cruise bought a machine like this for his wife, for Casey?
Isn't that bad naman po dito?
We don't advocate this na you do it as a parang
Those are just
picture photography.
Here, if you look at this is the 2D. You see that?
Hindi yung
Those are the chord. So it's
Ay,
floating
chord.
in front of the baby. See, it's floating right there. The black thing here, that's the fluid. So that's how we find
generation.
how we know that the
Heat
baby has
generating ultrasound waves.
ano,
we don't
adequate
advocate
fluid
na
yan.
everyday
Daming black.
ultrasound ka. Ang
kamay
most
niya.
everyday siguro.
Ito
Kung may
yung paa
problema.
niya.
Kaya nga yung
The
we
face,
don't support
ayaw na
yung
magpakita.
Ayun,
Let
nakagiwan,
me
nakatagilid
try.
siya, no?
There's
Let
no
me try
indication.
to
Always
get
go just a picture.
Yeah.
Don't know that there's no downside to the
Girl pala na
heat generating. Heat generating, so we don't know that. Lalo na during the first trimester, we want to avoid any form of heat exposure to the baby. Yun ang magkakaproblema. Especially first trimester.
But that's the penis.
Ayun, kita.
Ayan na.
Yun sa mga more.
Stratum, and that's the
Ayun.
penis. But be careful. I'll try it there.
Yeah.
So at this stage, there's no mistaking anymore about the sex.
Oo.
Hindi na pwedeng
Ayan, tago niya. Okay.
So, I'll try to turn it so we
Now
can...
you can see walang club foot si baby. No?
Yeah.
Look at that.
You can see
Yeah.
his toes.
You can see the toes
Ah.
and the angle between the leg and the toes
Haba
are
ng
normal.
legs niya, no?
Haba nga, oo.
I'll try to turn it now so we
Daddy,
can...
PBA.
Yes.
Ayun.
Can you see?
There.
You know.
There.
Sumilip lang siya.
Cute. And the way we do ultrasound, talagang ginagalaw yun. We don't stay in one place for a long time. Para ang heat nga will not be, the waves,
Concentrated.
baby will not be
Boy na boy.
exposed. Okay. Legs. Buti nag-posing si baby. So, sometimes they come here. They come here.
Sumisilip talaga siya.
This is one subspecialty I really enjoy. Pag mga ganyan, ako enjoy ako na sa mga batang yan.
Bigyan pa natin ng Let's go back to the face.
Placenta. Okay. Nag-pose pa siya.
Nag-ano na ma'am, nag-turn na.
Wala na, no? Tapos tinatakpan niya talaga ang face niya. Sige, let's just do the routine na lang muna. Then we will demo the Doppler. So we could tell you what your risks are for preeclampsia or intrauterine growth retardation, restriction. So, do you understand what you're seeing, no? Pakita mo nga yung kwan. Yeah, that's a placenta.
Okay.
Yung bladder niya, yung okay. Yan ang bladder mo. That's your bladder.
This is the
there.
bladder. So, pag black po, may fluid. So, that's your bladder.
That's the lower uterine segment. So, kung previous CS ka, we could also already measure the thickness or the thinness of yung pinaghiwaan kung CS. No? We could already examine the CS scar, and like today, the CS I did, ganyan, paper thin na yung, kitang-kita mo na yung buhok ng baby even
my God.
prior to my incision. That's why it took a longer time. I had to repair that. Kasi this was only her second baby. Siyempre, gusto pa mag-third, pero ang nipis. So, we could measure that. And then we could measure also the cervix. Later we will show you. Because measuring the cervix also will give us a risk factor. A short cervix is a risk factor for premature labor also. Okay. Tenga. Okay. Now, that's a tenga, no? And we could also see where it is in relation to the eyes. Kasi kung low set ears, Down syndrome din yon. So then the ear is normally located. This upper part is normally located here. Kung dito siya, Down syndrome is the eye.
Nadedetect na kaya.
So, we get a lot of info from palate. Okay. Sige. So, placenta is okay, no? Yan ang lips. Yes, the lips, no? So, by 3D, by 2D lang makikita. We do see, there's the poop. We do see all of these things already, but it doesn't mean a thing to the ordinary onlooker, no? But with
Mahirap
3D,
patignan.
kita mo kung ano talaga yung there's the heart. Okay, let's show them.
That one that's parang pumping.
That one, yes. And kunin nga natin ang fetal heart rate. There you go. Beautiful babies. That's right there. And just by eyeballing, normal yung heart ng baby mo. But we will show you. 144 beats per minute within normal. 110 to 150 ang ano. Okay, there. You show them na walang interventricular. There, sus kaganda. That one, sige. That's the whole heart, no? Okay.
That's so cute.
I-show mo nga. Left lung up there, right lung down here. And we are seeing that walang butas itong heart ni baby mo, no? There's no defect along the interventricular septum. Sinay mo na yan?
Naka-heart echo.
Nag-cardiac echo. Yeah. This is how we do the targeted fetal heart examination. Ayan, 4-chamber. That's the 4-chamber view of the heart. Yeah, you can see ito. Wala talagang kabutas.
Galing, ah.
Yan.
4 rooms in the heart.
2 ventricles, 2 atria. Very normal yung